Hello everyone, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to see what is cybersecurity and why cybersecurity is important. So now let's first understand what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is nothing but it is primarily about people, processes and technologies working together to encompass the full range of threat reduction, vulnerability reduction, deterrence, international engagement, incident response, resiliency and recovery policies and activities, including computer network operations, information assurance, and law enforcement, etc. Cybersecurity is a protection of internet connected systems, including hardware, software, and data from cyber attacks. It is made up of two words. One is cyber and the other one is security. Cyber is related to the technology which contains systems, networks and programs or data we can say. Whereas security related to the protection which includes system security, network security and application and information security. It is a body of technology, processes and practices designed to protect networks, devices, programs and data from attacks, thefts, damage, modifications or unauthorized cases. Now, it may also be referred as information technology security. So, we can also define cybersecurity as a set of principles and practices designed to protect our computing resources and online information against threats. Due to heavy dependency on computers in a modern industry that stores and transmits an abundance of confidential and essential information about the people, cybersecurity is a critical function and needed insurance of many businesses. That's very important. So the next question arises that why cybersecurity is important. We live in a digital era which understands that our private information is more vulnerable than ever before. We all live in a world which is networked together from internet banking to government infrastructures, where data is stored on computer and other devices. A portion of that data can be sensitive information, whether that particular intellectual property, financial data, personal information or other type of data for which unauthorized access or exposure could have negative consequences. So cyber attacks is now an international concern and has given many concerns that hacks and other security attacks could endanger the global economy. Organizations transmit sensitive data across networks and to other devices in the course of doing business. And cybersecurity describes to protect that information and the system used to process or store it. As the volume of cyber attack grows, companies and organizations, especially those that deals information related to national security, health, or financial records, need to take steps to protect their sensitive business and personal information very seriously. So this is all about the introduction about cybersecurity. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this lecture.